Good day and welcome to your Wordle solution for Wednesday, August 24th, 2022. Let's get this show on the road. You already know what it is. It's going to be audio. Okay, so there is a D and possibly an E, maybe a Y. Those might be the only vowels. Let's see if this word begins with D. Let's try debt. All right, it doesn't begin with D, but there is an E in the second spot. I wonder what it could be. Let me see if there is a Y. Let me try the word bendy. All right, okay, so it's not that, but there is an N, and so it has to be N-E something D-Y. Could it be nerdy? Am I just too white and nerdy? No, it's not nerdy. Well then, I'm thinking there's a double E and it's needed. Alright, it is needed. Got it in 5 today. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here, share with others. Success today, see you tomorrow.